Hey guys, Michael here from Tipsy Trailer Productions. A friend came to me with an old Alienware computer asking if anything could be done with it. He has no idea if it works, I have no idea if it works, but we're going to take it apart, we're going to clean it up, we're going to put it back together, and we're going to see what we can do with it. As you guys can see, there's a bent pin there. Well guys, the computer has been taken completely apart. Unfortunately, I have a few concerns with this build. First being the bent capacitors on the motherboard as well as on the sound card. In any case, we're moving on to phase 2 now, cleaning. Stay tuned. Well, that's about it for this video. I have everything cleaned up and ready to be put back together. This computer is quite old, dating all the way back to 2004. Let's check out the hardware. Part 2 of the video will be coming shortly. Thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.